Hey friends, this is your boy Obinna. Now we are here again for another tutorial today. Today I'm going to be teaching you on how to make easy money on YouTube. So let's begin. And please do not forget to look down and subscribe and like this video to be good to me. Thank you. And now let's start. So if you want to sign in into YouTube to make real money from $100 and above, you have to first create a Gmail account. After, if you have one, you use that one, but if you don't have, you create a new one. Then after creating a Gmail account, you go into YouTube. Then when you enter the YouTube, at your right hand side you see a place they put sign up. If you already have the account, it will log you in sharp, but if you don't have it, you go there and put you sign up, then your Gmail account that you have created will log in automatically. So after you have finished logging in, then you come straight here. Let me teach you on how to put your account number, so whenever they pay, they can pay you. You go straight to your left and click on that the place your pictures will show. When you click on it, you will see my channels. You click on my channels, it will load. Let's wait a few minutes. When you click on it to bring out your profile, so whenever you upload a video on YouTube, when people subscribe to your account, you see it up here. When people like, you see it here. Then if you want to upload video, this is where you will go. You click on this place, this you to show you create a video or post. You see it. After that, you come by. Let me teach you on how to put your account number for payment. You go to this place, there is bell. You click on it to open. Then you come down, you see where there is setting. You click on that setting. It's loading now. Then when you click on it, then it will show you some things on your setting. Then you go to where they write account. You click on the account page. It's now loading. Let's wait a few minutes. Then when it's open, you see where they say view or change your account settings. It's not loading. Then when it opens, you see the right account preferences. You click on it. When it opens, you go down to payments. Then you click go to payment center to now take you to payment center. Then when the payment center opens, if you have Google AdSense, you can add your Google AdSense. There's no, but if you don't have, you create one, or you use other purchases activities, or you can use payment mode, that is through your card, your MasterCard, Visa card, or any other card you have. Yes, it's loading. Let's wait. Then yes, this is it. Tap open. Any type of card you can add it here and other things. Then you click on save. Understand? Then whenever YouTube pays, they will notify you and pay you through there. Thank you. So let me take you to some more places for you to see some things before we can go. Yes. So now you can go to your notification to see whether your settings are all okay. When your notification opens, then if other things, YouTube will set it for you, but this Chrome sometimes it's always turned off. Then you can turn it on. Yes. And now let's go back. Let's go back. Yes, it's opening. This is a place if you want to add your pictures, so when the time reach, you add. Let's go to advanced setting. So when you open your advanced setting to show you your ID, your channel ID and other things, then you come down here and click everything. After that, you go back, click on this symbol there to open you, then click on my channels. Right, and finish loading. You're almost through with everything. So now you are now ready to go. Thank you for watching this video, and please do remember to subscribe and like this video. Very grateful for that. Thank you. And subscribe so that when next we have more video, you can capture it and learn more things on how to make money online. This is your boy Obinna. Thanks.